Sick of your boss? Try these solid home business ideas. Running a home business can be a frustrating process, particularly because you are so invested in the work you are doing. Whether you are just beginning your endeavor into the world of self-employment or you are an experienced veteran, this video provides tips and tricks to help you achieve as much success as possible. You should be able to talk about your business plan and goals in a few sentences. You will have an easier time impressing potential clients if you can describe your business without being too wordy. This soundbite can also help you come up with ideas for a good company slogan. If you are just getting started, it is a good idea to offer something free to your customers. Many people do not want to invest their money into something they are not sure of, so offering them free products/services will give them an idea of what you are selling and let them know the quality of it. Having a business attitude is very important for your business success. If you work from home, it can be hard to balance your business time with your family time. Set aside a certain amount of time every day for your business so you can become successful while still maintaining family time. If you do participate in a trade show, think of a way to make your booth stand out from the rest of the crowd, like running a raffle for a free product, or offering a big discount if someone makes a purchase on the spot. You want a way to entice people to stop at your booth so that you can tell them all about your product or service and make a sale. It is important to not use your home address as the mailing address for your home business. It could be very dangerous to allow people to know your home address. Thieves or worse could come to your home and try to rob you because they know that you have products in your home. To avoid being robbed, you should use a P.O. box as the mailing address for your business. If you are selling products, then you will need to charge your customers the appropriate tax for their state. It is up to you to find out what the state tax is, where they are, and add that amount to the cost of the item that they are buying. Find a home business venture that you are actually interested in. This will benefit you in the long run. Otherwise, working from home will be much less enjoyable and a more difficult task. To make a success, determine your interests, goals and capabilities, before you become involved in any business. No matter what level of experience you have as an owner, there will be times that you will feel overwhelmed by the process of running a business and frustrated by the expectations that others have of you. This video seeks to provide a guide through some of the challenges that you face as you run your own business. Student loan.